How do I select an item in a cell in a Pandas Dataframe? Hello, welcome to Tech-Minded Python Recipes. In this video we will learn how to select an item in a cell in a Pandas Dataframe. Before we start, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please click on subscribe to be informed about more videos like this. And, if you like this video, please give us our like at the end. First, let's import the Pandas library. Import Pandas as pd. Next, let's create a dictionary with demo data. The keys of the dictionary will be the headers of each column. We will create 3 columns: country, capital, and language. Then, we will use the Pandas Dataframe method with the dictionary we just created as argument to create a dataframe. Now, let's check the dataframe we just created. There you go. Just what we needed. Finally, to be able to access a specific cell of a dataframe directly, we can use 2 methods: the iat method and the at method. The difference between the two is that while the iat method accesses the location using index and row numbers, the at method uses row names. First, let's use the iat method to retrieve the value in index 1 and in row 2. This method uses square brackets with 2 arguments, where the first argument represents the index, and the second represents the column's number. Remember that Python and Pandas follow a zero-basis indexing. So those represent the second column and third row. As expected, once we run it we get the language of Argentina. We get Spanish. Let's do it again to retrieve the item in position 00. We should get the first country in the list. We then get Brazil. Now, let's repeat this same exercise with the at method. As we are using the default number-based index, the index values will be identical to the last examples, but now, for columns, we will use the column names. First, let's retrieve the item on index 1 of the language columns. Just like last time, we get Spanish. Next, let's look up the position 0 of the country columns. And then, we get Brazil again. This methods work both when you want to access, as well as when you want to set the value of a cell in a dataframe. Let's change the value of the language of Brazil to Spanish using the iat method. There you go. Now let's change it back to Portuguese using the at method. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I would love to see you again here in the future. Do not forget to like this video and to press the subscribe button to watch more videos like this.